The universe is full of whispers, faint signals traveling across the vastness of space. In 2016, astronomers listened closely to our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, just over 4 light-years away. For years it seemed like just a faint red glow alone in the dark. Then a tiny rhythmic wobble was detected, a subtle dance hinting at an unseen partner. This was no random movement, it was a repeating signature, a clue that Proxima Centauri was not alone. After years of patient observation, a new world revealed itself, Proxima B. The announcement electrified the scientific community, a planet right next door, orbiting the very next star on our cosmic street. For the first time, we found a potentially rocky world, similar in size to Earth, in our immediate cosmic vicinity. Proxima B became more than just another dot on our star maps, it was a new frontier. Its closeness meant we could study it in unprecedented detail, even dream of sending probes one day. The discovery was a powerful reminder, the universe is always full of surprises. Just when we think we know our neighborhood, a new world appears, waiting to be explored. Proxima B's story is our story, a story of discovery and wonder. It's a testament to our relentless curiosity and the power of listening. The journey to understand this new world had just begun. It promised to reshape our understanding of planets and the possibility of life beyond Earth. Because of its proximity, Proxima B became a symbol of what's possible. The universe, it seems, always has another secret to share. We keep looking, keep listening, and keep discovering. The adventure is only beginning. Finding Proxima B was a true cosmic detective story. You can't just look through a telescope and see it. The star's light overwhelms any reflected from the planet. Astronomers used the radial velocity method, searching for the effect the planet has on its star. As Proxima B orbits, it tugs on its star, causing a tiny wobble. This wobble shifts the star's light, a subtle Doppler effect, like a changing siren pitch. Detecting this faint signal required years of data and immense patience. Proxima Centauri is a stormy red dwarf, with flares that can mimic a planet's signal. Scientists at the European Southern Observatory used the HARP spectrograph in Chile, filtering out the noise. It was like listening for a quiet melody in a chaotic concert. After meticulous work, a consistent wobble emerged, repeating every 11.2 days. This was the telltale sign. A planet at least 1.3 times Earth's mass was orbiting Proxima Centauri. The discovery was a triumph of ingenuity and persistence. It proved we can uncover invisible worlds with the right tools and dedication. The detective story had a thrilling conclusion. Our nearest exoplanetary neighbor was real. This method opened the door to finding countless hidden worlds. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. The search continues, one subtle clue at a time. News of Proxima B ignited imaginations everywhere, a planet orbiting our closest star. The most exciting part, it orbits within the habitable zone, where temperatures could allow liquid water. Where there's water, there's the possibility of life as we know it. Proxima B's size suggested it could be a rocky world, maybe even Earth-like. Headlines called it a second Earth, and people wondered if we'd found a place that could support life. The discovery sparked a global conversation about our place in the universe. It became a symbol of hope, the idea that the galaxy could be filled with worlds like ours. Scientists, though, were cautious. Being in the habitable zone is just the first step. Still, the excitement inspired a new generation to look up and dream. The search for other worlds is not just science fiction, it's happening now. Proxima B showed us that the next great discovery could be just around the corner. Even if it's not another Earth, it means such planets are likely common. The universe suddenly felt a little less lonely, and our search for life gained new momentum. For life as we know it, certain ingredients are essential, most importantly, liquid water. Water is the medium for life's chemistry, and every living thing on Earth depends on it. So we ask, could Proxima B have liquid water? Its position in the habitable zone made the answer a hopeful, maybe, but water isn't enough. A planet also needs an atmosphere. An atmosphere traps heat, shields from radiation, and provides gases for life. Without it, water would vanish or freeze and life would struggle. Scientists hoped Proxima B had both, a rocky surface and a protective atmosphere. If so, it could have oceans, lakes, or rivers under a dim, reddish sky. These were speculations, but based on real possibilities. The discovery wasn't just about finding a rock in space, it was about finding a place that could host a biosphere. Proxima B checked the first box and gave us hope for the others. It became a prime target in our quest for life beyond Earth. The search for these conditions continues, one world at a time. The dream of Proxima B as a habitable paradise soon met harsh realities. Proxima Centauri is a volatile red dwarf, unleashing powerful flares and radiation. Proxima B orbits close, exposed to these violent outbursts. Flares could strip away its atmosphere, leaving the surface barren and exposed. The habitable zone might have the right temperature, but it's also a radiation trap. Another challenge: tidal locking. One side always faces the star, the other an endless night. This creates extreme temperature differences. Life might only survive in a narrow twilight zone. The planet may have lost its atmosphere and water long ago, but life isn't impossible. Perhaps it could exist underground or in a deep ocean. The dream of a lush, Earth-like world faded, but the lessons remained. A planet's location isn't everything. The nature of its star is just as important. Proxima B taught us to look deeper, beyond first impressions. The search for habitability is more complex than we imagine. In 2019, astronomers detected a mysterious radio signal from the direction of Proxima Centauri. It was a narrow-band signal, not usually produced by natural cosmic events. For a moment, the world wondered, could this be a message from an intelligent civilization? The signal, named BLC-1, was kept secret while scientists tried to verify it. It had many properties of an alien beacon, a single pure tone drifting in frequency. The possibility, however remote, was astonishing. If real, it would be the greatest discovery in human history. But scientists are skeptical by nature. They had to rule out every other explanation. The team analyzed the data, searched for repeats, and checked for natural causes. Most importantly, they considered the most likely culprit: us. Earth is awash with radio waves from our own technology. After months of investigation, the mystery was solved. The signal was human-generated interference, likely from equipment near the observatory. It only appeared when the telescope pointed at Proxima Centauri, a false alarm. While disappointing, it was a triumph for the scientific method. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. The search for a true message from the stars continues. Despite Proxima B's challenges, our fascination hasn't faded. It's a perfect laboratory for studying planets around red dwarf stars, the most common stars in our galaxy. Understanding Proxima B helps us grasp the potential for life across the cosmos. We keep gathering data, refining models, and making new discoveries. Evidence suggests Proxima Centauri hosts a whole planetary system, including Proxima D and possibly Proxima C. The James Webb Space Telescope is now analyzing distant worlds' atmospheres. Ambitious projects like Breakthrough Starshot aim to send tiny probes to the Alpha Centauri system. These nanocraft could reach Proxima B in about 20 years, sending back our first close-up images. The search for life is a marathon, not a sprint, requiring patience and innovation. We may not find Earth's twin or life at all, but the process matters. Every observation pushes the boundaries of our knowledge. The journey to understand Proxima B is a journey to understand ourselves, and that journey will continue for generations. The adventure is far from over. The story of Proxima B is a scientific adventure, beginning with a whisper, sparking excitement, and leading to deeper questions. Even if it's not a second Earth, its discovery is invaluable. It proves planets are everywhere, even around the very next star. Our tools and minds can find these hidden worlds, revealing the universe's complexity. This quest is fundamental to who we are, an exploring species, longing to understand distant shores. The search for life is about understanding the conditions that allow it to arise. Each barren world helps us appreciate our own planet's rarity and fragility. In searching for others, we learn to cherish Earth. The challenges of Proxima B remind us how lucky we are. Our cosmic quest continues. We keep listening, building, and dreaming. Proxima B is a stepping stone, not the final destination. The universe is vast and the possibilities are limitless. The journey has only just begun.